I will show you 5 different AI tools. The first one is a logo AI generator. So head over to the website called Logopony. Hit enter. Now select the first link in your search results. You'll be taken to this dashboard. Now, the first thing you need to do is to sign up or log in to your free account. After I've done that, you'll be taken to this dashboard where it asks you to select the style for your logo, whether you are creating a personal logo or a company logo. So let's select business branding. Now choose from various icons which you think will fit your logo. You can also use their search results here to narrow your search to find the perfect icons for your logo. Once are done, hit continue. Now you have the option to select different color from simple color to gradient, which you can add in your logo. Once I've selected 3 colors, hit continue. Now here you type in your company name and your slogan. So for this company name, let's type in the YouTube channel name, which is Explorers. Our slogan, let's put. Once I make all the changes, it creates my logo. Now as you can see, this AI logo has generated different logo that fit our style. You can also make basic changes into these video editors, and you can see it has given us different templates in which we can add our logo on. So to edit any part of your logo, you can either edit the company name or the slogan or any part of the logo by selecting it and applying your basic changes. Alright, let's move to the next AI tool. Next AI tool is how to generate AI image using Canva. So head over to your Canva dashboard, that is canva.com. Now here you need to sign in or sign up if you are a new Canva user. So once you have signed in using your Google account to open this dashboard, now let's create a blank media. Okay, so now we are here on this blank media page. Now to access the AI text to image generation tool, select apps. Now search for AI image generator. Hit enter. Now it will bring out different AI image generation tools in Canva. But for this tutorial, let's select, we're going to use the magic media option. Now you will be given this text box. In this text box, you give the scenario of the image you want to create. So let's type in cinematic red car. You can also add some different styles to your prompt by using ChatGPT and other AI tools. Once you have done, you can select the style of your photo, either anime or realistic. You also have the option to choose the aspect of your image. As you can see, we are creating a blank media on portrait, so let's select portrait and hit generate image. Now as you can see here, the image are already generated. If you are unsatisfied with this image, you can also give it a prompt and generate a new one by selecting generate again, and you receive 4 different new images to fit your need. In this way, you can generate AI images within the Canva dashboard. Also, if you are looking for an in-depth tutorial on Canva Magic Media and all its functions, I have created a video on that, so you can check it out right here. Now let's move to the generate AI text to speech using Canva. So for this also, let's go back to apps. Now search for AI voice. Hit enter. Here also you have different options of AI text to speech generators, but for this tutorial I have tested the one here which says voiceover, so select it. Now click open. So now it's open. To generate your text to speech, you are going to type in the text in this script text box. Alright, once I've typed in your prompt, you can also choose the speaker of your voice, whether you want it in a male voice or a female voice. You can choose this from the speaker drop down menu here. Also, you can also choose the style of your voice, either in narration or a dictation mode. You can choose it right under the style drop down menu. Once I've finally finished adding tweaks and adjustments to your audio styles and minutes, select generate audio, or you can also play the sample to hear a preview of your voice before selecting generate audio. But I'm satisfied with all my prompt here, so I'm going to select generate audio.
How to create a free Canva account.
And see our voiceover has been successfully generated. And now create text to speech voices within your Canva dashboard without having to look for text to speech software anywhere else. Now let's move up to the next and the last step, which is how to generate AI music. Go to the website called Soundraw. Now select the first link in your search results. Now once you have selected the link, select try for free. Now sign in using your Google account. Here you're going to see different types of beats. Now to generate your free music, select on any beat you find interesting. Now from here you have this drop down menu where you can totally customize this music. You can change the beat here from very high to medium to low or anything else. You can also customize this music to fit any platform you want to use it on. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to my channel and also like this video and share with friends. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.